Yo, what is going on, guys? Intermo5 here back, and for another GTA 5 video. It's going to be a boat challenging video, and right before we get to the video, guys, I want to talk to you guys really quick. I just got back from Anime Expo, which was pretty fucking awesome. I got tons of pictures and a bunch, not really any videos, but mostly just pictures. So I'm definitely probably going to be doing another collage or like one of those, yeah, like a collage video of just all the pictures that I took. Then I'll talk more about Anime Expo in that video. But also another thing that I wanted to quickly talk about was how what was it? It was gonna be about the upcoming stuff that I'm gonna be doing. So um the new anime channel, I've gotten a lot of replies from people. I was actually a little bit more surprised. I didn't think anybody was gonna actually reply about the new anime channel, about me posting some new anime stuff. So that is definitely going to be happening. In my next video, I'll probably have an account created, and I'll put a link down below to let you guys, if you guys want to go and check out that channel, subscribe and follow me as I continue just posting nothing but anime and stuff on that channel. I got a lot of requests of shows that people asked me to do, so I'm definitely going to be doing that. So definitely stay tuned for that. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much that's just a quick heads up of what I'm going to be doing in the near future. So I'll talk more about it in my next video. But let's go ahead and get into this video, my boat challenging video. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys all later, and peace out.
I'm gonna go get a Titan and pose it, the Titan inside a pool without dying.
All right, so I'm gonna explain to them real quick, like the viewers, like what the challenge is. So the challenge is don't fuck up. Basically,
Don't fuck up. Okay.
Basically what I'm gonna do is get the boat from this pool to that pool over there. All right, you ready? All right, here we go.
Yep.
All right.
This is gonna we're gonna die most likely.
Cause we're taking off. We're taking
this
off.
Is like the perfect Nailed
No,
it!
you did that shit.
Oh shit! All right.
Nailed it.
I did it. I'm done.
My life, guys, my life is complete now. My life is complete.
Oh, you got another one. I do the other one.
My life is complete.
We could do this. Like, remember the other one down there?
Yeah, guys. Want me to get a sea shark?
Right there with Marco's in.
Okay,
You
so
guys want me to get a sea shark?
then?
One sec, I gotta climb
There's
up there.
someone in that pool.
Alright.
Yeah.
Like,
oh shit!
they're
Who's in
just-
that pool?
the player.
What the?
Are they just chilling? Are they chilling?
I was like, what?
Yeah,
They're on my property.
Who's gonna drive that in the pool then?
Wait, who's the people that you said were in a pool? Hey, there's
Marco.
another pool over here. Are you guys at the
Oh,
pool with a person in it?
I don't even know if I can do this, but I believe in faith.
Wait, I'm not there yet. Gotta watch this.
This is not gonna end
Gotta
well.
hurry.
Alright.
Yeah, it's probably not.
Ow, my face
It's
just
a
hit a
speeder, so
pole
you gotta
on the
have
way
enough
falling.
kick. But yeah, you should just floor it like once you lined up really good.
Do I need to get my panto?
Your panto, what is it? Panto?
Panto.
Smart car. Can we use your cargo bob after this? Cause I have a plan.
We're going.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh!
You made it!
No! Oh! What the?
Look where we're at. Yo.
No, so close.
Bro, you made like a bridge.
Right?
Ah! I fell. I fell. Here, guys, I'll shoot a flare for help.
How
Mayday!
did you do that?
Mayday!
Whatever, I
Billy's
say
along!
Dude, look how close
We need
you are
help!
making it in the
victory.
pool.
Look up, I said victory.
That's a victory. We perfectly landed it to where it's like an arch.
Oh shit.
Now, oh god, it's gonna light on fire.
Oh god, I'm on
You
fire
land.
now. Shit.
Hop in the pool.
This girl is on fire!
It's like a slide. Oh, what? It's tilting.
Oh, so
I jumped off trying to get into it. Okay, can we use your cargo bob? Because I want to take my panto and jump off of Mount
Let's
Chiliad.
get the cargo bomb back. Yeah, let's go get the cargo bomb. And
Yeah, we could just pick up the cargo bomb and just like pick it up and put it in and say we made it. Yo, what? Look, your plane's over there. What? Yo, your plane is standing up over there.
What?
Hey,
Yeah,
so
what the plane's
How's
right
there
over
a
there.
plane over there?
That's
Why
the
are there
plane
two-
crashed.
Wait, whose
Oh,
plane
yeah,
is that?
my-
What the hell?
that's the one I tried to land inside the pool.
Yeah,
That was,
until he
That was
pointed
a
out, I was
complete,
like, what?
that was a total, I totally nailed it, so you didn't get in video, so you can't prove that I failed.
Yo, you
I wonder if
cracked
you
the
like
bench
picked this
right
up
here?
with cargo bomb. You just, like,
Okay, I'm gonna jump into your boat from up here and then face plant, cause, oh, I landed on my feet.
That's fine.
Why are there two people in the pool over here making out? They're like making out in the pool. From looking over here. Here, I got this tear gas.
Tear gas.
Does tear gas?
I don't think tear.
You throw it in the
I don't
water?
think tear. Oh, I know what. Grenade. I'm gonna shoot him with a flare. Watch, guys, watch the flare bounce off his head. Oh, dang it, I missed on that one.
That's offensive to me. Alright, let me see.
Yeah. Is this
What?
fine? This should be fine. Try it.
Yeah, I think I'm perfectly matched.
Just
Oh, a trip.
yeah, just fuck. Just
Alright, I'll go.
like Nike,
All right,
just do it.
I found a car.
Oh.
There's a cop here.
Oh, he made it. Kind of.
not all the way. Kind of. Yeah. Yeah,
What
stand
the-
in the front, maybe it'll tip down. Go to
It's like
diving
a
board,
diving
check it
board.
out.
Hey, I need the person to get the cargo bomb and land it right next to me.
It's like a diving board, basically.
Get down. We need more fat people up here.
Okay, someone get in the cargo
Yo,
bomb and
just-
come pick me up real quick. Are you guys gonna? Oh, do one of you guys have a Hydra?
I got this.
Yeah, we gotta hide you.
Okay,
I held
bring
too
it
long.
down
Damn
to the
it.
airfield.
I played you, AJ.
Bring it down to the air.
I put a Molotov in the
I held
water
it
even
too
go
long.
off.
Played you.
Where do you get Molotovs?
I got
Death
mine
matches.
from a modder. He acted to my. I can like never run out.
I don't know where to get Molotovs. I really don't.
You gotta let a modder hack into your account.
I'm good.
No, you don't need to. Just you can get them from a deathmatch. I'll say.
Oh yeah, and death matches, but I got mine. Well.
One sec.
Where's
Helicopter's
the
coming to
airstrike
pick me
at?
up.
Oh yeah, I held it too long, so it wouldn't come.
Oh shit.
That was insane.
Yeah, I was waiting
That
for
was
it
insane
to.
with the bottle. That was
Alright.
insane, bro.
What?
What the fuck?
All I hear is that was insane.
Oh, AJ, you! Oh my god.
You see what's about.
Oh.
Okay.
I'm guessing someone died. Just
I
a
had to
guess.
kill someone. That airstrike failed.
We've watched it.
We ride
all night.
together.
There we go.
Killing it.
You gotta say it something that rhymes. We ride together. We watch Bill
We
Nye
slide
together.
We slide together.
Give me a good time.
We
$50,
ride together.
We grind together.
We ride
Oh
together.
shit.
So, what do you?
Oh shoot! Oh, yo, let me put it on video, yo.
What?
He's got a
Should've
sticky bomb
rolled in
on
his
his back.
skirt.
He's got a sticky bomb on his back.
There was should have been a hole in his skirt.
I put a sticky bomb on his back. On here, I'm gonna throw 5.
Oh shit.
Oh, where'd she go?
Oh.
Your friend is so funny. This guy is hilarious. They put a sticky bomb on my freaking back. It's so on my
I'm
back.
punching you with a sticky bomb. I'm not trying to punch you.
These fools think they can ruin my time and do that to me? Huh. They can think again. Time for some payback.
Yeah, the one.
You deserve that. You
Yo, at least
completely
for somebody
deserve
back.
that. You tried to blow me up. You deserve that completely. I may have lost all my money, but I got your RP.
Okay. Oh, that's...
What the fuck is going on over here?
Oh shit.
Why do I have cops? Oh yeah, I killed
It's like a... Hey.
Why are you laughing? Are you laughing sarcastically or are you legit laughing?
Oh, I'm gonna so do this.
He was like... Yo, I would run away if I can't do anything right now.
What are you guys doing?
Hurry up! I want to cancel this.
All I hear is him laughing uncontrollably, like he's having a seizure. Hey, hey, Mark! Mark!
Get off me, you fat
Yeah,
bitch.
Mark!
Fuck, bitch.
Come here!
Yeah.
Mark!
So what?
Oh, wait,
What
wait!
is
Ah!
I'm out.
I walked normally, guys! Guys! I walked normally and I fell through the map.
Yo, you killed her. I'm out.